Good morning, children. Would you like to play a game with me? Before we start with the game, let's observe a minute of silence. Children, do you remember all the farm animals? Let us recall once again.
Which animal is this? This is a cow. Cows give us milk. This is a goat. Goats give us milk and meat. Our next farm animal is a sheep. Sheep gives us wool. This is a horse. They help us to carry heavy goods from one place to another. Children, this is the last picture which I have, and let us see which farm animal is this. This is a hen. Do you know hens lay eggs?
Now, let me show you the shadows of all the animals one by one. See, this is a cow and the shadow of the cow looks like this. This is a goat and the shadow of this goat looks like this. This farm animal is a sheep and the shadow of this sheep looks like this. Which farm animal is this? This is a horse and the shadow of this horse will look like this. Look, this is a hen along with 3 chicks. Now let's find out how the shadow of Mama hen and these chicks will look like. So, wow, see, this is the shadow of Mama hen and these are
the shadows of 3 chicks.
Children, look carefully and try to recall the names of these animals. Let's start the activity. Open your eyes wide and look at this shadow. Can you all guess which farm animal is this? Think. Wow, superb! That's right. This is a cow. See, which animal is this? This is a cow. Now, can you all identify this farm animal? Yes, you all are right. This is a goat. See, which animal is this? This is a goat. Now it's turn for our next animal. Shall I give you a hint? This farm animal gives us wool. Yes, this is a sheep. Which animal is this? This is a sheep. Let us move to our next animal. This animal carries goods for us. And this is a horse. Which animal is this? This is a horse. Now, this is our last farm animal. Pay attention, okay children? Look over here. Can you guess this farm animal? Yes, you are right. This is a hen. This is a hen along with 3 chicks. 1, 2, and 3. Wow, it was such an amazing activity. So children, revise all the farm animals and the products they share with us. See you next time with another such interesting activity.